Former Zimbabwean Vice President Joyce Mujuru has been appointed as the new head of the African Union Electoral Observation Mission AUEOM for the upcoming National Assembly elections in Mauritius. Sanapana mashoko aiwa anoshamisa vanhu avauya vakadzoka kuZimbabwe chachaya chabaka notibva subscribe like out on the bell kuti timira panapa pahendo ye the appointment comes as Zimbabwe currently holds the chairmanship of the Southern African Development Committee SADC, which is believed to have played a role in its selection to lead the AU mission. Mujuru was dismissed from her position as vice president during the height of the ZANU-PF factional struggles before the death of former president Robert Mugabe. Has since kept a low profile, focusing primarily on her farming ventures. Social media in the streets, people are suggesting their views on Zimbabwe. Agara nema relations in Zimbabwe. Agara vakanga vasingawirirani nekuda corrupt yakanyanya kana kuti maiutritiro avaitiwa the ruling party. Amedimudza mafunguro enyu not kudi pamusoro pe this post yapiwa mu-African Union achiitwa the head of the Electoral Observation Mission kuti as far as Zimbabweans are concerned panoti ma-electoral processes. Do you think kuti achaisa action kana kuti achaisa ma-resolutions to solve electoral crisis iri munyika yeZimbabwe? Pinda comment section medu mutidze mafunguro enyu. Musana subscribe like, sound on the bell icon.